Are you considering buying a home and want to know how to get the best terms possible on your mortgage? While I believe you shouldn't let less than perfect credit stop you from home ownership, I also believe that you should do everything you can to get the best mortgage possible. So how exactly do you do that? As an experienced lender and broker, I've helped countless buyers get the best deal possible. Here are 3 key items that you should focus on so that you get the best mortgage you can. Get your credit score as high as possible. The type of loan that you can qualify is largely determined by your credit score. Ideally, you should aim for a conventional mortgage because they allow you to get rid of private mortgage insurance as soon as you hit 20% equity. However, you need a certain credit score to be able to get a conventional mortgage. To get your score as high as possible, try to keep your credit balance as low as possible, ideally under 30% of your limit, and make your payments on time. Decrease your debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio is simply your debts divided by the money that you earn. When lenders check what you can qualify for, they like to see that number under 50%. It's important to note that that number will include your new mortgage. So ideally, your debts are probably going to be closer to like 25% or less. To get the best deal possible, I recommend you work with us to create a debt repayment plan so we can get that ratio as low as possible. Put more money down. I know it's easier said than done, but putting down as much money as possible shows to the lender, the financial institution, that you are a serious buyer and you're committed. Putting more money down will also lower your principal balance and lower your monthly payments. If you want the best deal possible, try saving up the biggest down payment that you can reasonably afford. Even if you can't reach 20%, 10% is better than 5%, 5% is better than 3.5%. If you can't save any of that, talk to me about a down payment assistance program. As a final point, I recommend you work with a mortgage broker and not a bank. Banks are large institutions, they're not very flexible, and mortgage brokers like me, I can shop around to different lenders to find the very best loan for your situation. If you have questions about this, please call or email me. I'd love to help.